Welcome to the Suerte del Molino farm, Andalusia, Spain. Nature is all or nothing. Quite some destruction. Not that much rain, but it comes from the mountain. And it comes down the creek. And let's have a look. It's only an inch of rain. This leaky weir is leaking well. It used to overflow this side. Brought a lot of debris with it. The second time I made a soil dam wall, once again it's gone. The problem this time was all this debris blocked the spillway, so the water had to go over there. I also had some plastic sheeting over it, but it's all gone. I'm learning. This gabion is still standing, some part of it. The rickety bridge is still here. Color of the water is very different from before, bringing a lot of debris and soil from higher up, because I believe the neighbor had some dams made. I even suspect that one of them broke. This debris here is built-up of organic material. It must be 3 meters. Lots of logs. And also my irrigation system. Looks like this gabion did not withstand it, partially. This is also an interesting site here. I took the pipes away. The bottom part of that construction, the sluice gate, broke. The fence there broke, all the debris that came over. It blocked the whole way. So, let's have a look what else is happening. At least the seeds that I have put in the soil can now germinate. The culvert under the road, not much water, because it didn't rain that much, but the creek got flooded, so I'm pretty sure something happened upstream, because this is not that much water. These 2 dams are full. Just slightly overflowing, only filling up now. The water only damming up here now. So not even overflowing this area. I don't have to water these plants today. Look at all the acorns. Some water here in the canal, but not much. So I wonder what really happened at the neighbor's farm to release so much water at once. Back at the creek, now we have much more soil down here. The beach has grown in the meantime. The twice built soil wall, big chunk is gone. A lot of debris. All this debris blocked the spillway that went the other way. It worked for a while and then it gave up. It looks like the beavers did this. A lot of organic material. Created its own spillway here on the side. It will be interesting to know what happened to the level of the cistern of this infiltration system. I will have a look soon. This is the top end of the creek. Never seen so much water coming down here. Water level was quite high if we look at the debris over there. Okay, till next time. Goodbye.